Merson Group are a leading design and implementation partner to global brands. We help them and their creative agencies to bring digital signage and brand experiences to physical space. To give our clients a great design experience, we need to be creative, technical, rapid and digital, and always make room for new ideas. We look to technology to transform our development process, making it faster, clearer, better and more sustainable. HP and Xeretec believe in innovation and create incredible technology solutions that are helping us achieve our transformation goals. Design often starts with a simple sketch, but from there you need to take big leaps into more believable digital outcomes. We have developed new capability by embracing technology that see us lead our industry away from traditional ways of working. HP and Xeretec solutions for design, VR experience and hybrid working with the power of Z Central are at the heart of our progression. When technology works with you, it's much easier to produce, present and understand what can be challenging and complex design. We are moving towards a metaverse version of design, where VR enables interaction with products and spaces, allowing a more accurate review of the customer journey and brand experience. The expectation gap that can often exist between design proposals and the final result is resolved much quicker. HP and Xeretec have multiple solutions for virtual reality, including a VR backpack which allows free roaming in both the real and virtual space. We're now using Reverb headsets alongside best-in-class Z4 workstations. By using the best combination of virtual and augmented reality, 3D printing and real-life materials, we create virtual prototyping. These digitised prototypes can be produced at a fraction of the time, cost, energy and materials involved in traditional methods. Having HP and Xeretec support Merson Group's innovation and technology is transformational.